Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Wuchang fallen feathers crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading or black screen issue on PS5. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to restart your PlayStation PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PS5 and then check problem fixed or not. Second solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to setting, set up internet connection, press the option buttons. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Now see which one works best to fix the issue. Third solution is to switch internet connection. First of all, use Ethernet cable to access internet on PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible, then you can connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. Tip: restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then you can check. Fix 4 is to log out and log in. Just simply log out from your PS5 network account. Go to settings, users and account, others, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If you have another secondary account, then you can log in with that and check if that works or not. Fix 5 is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other and go to restore licenses. Select Wuchang Fallen Feathers game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm. After this, check problem solved or not. Sixth solution is to change console language. Open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to language section, then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and then check if this fixes the issue or not. Fix 7 is to rebuild database on PS5. Simply turn off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS5 button. Then use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database and OK to confirm. Then launch Wuchang Fallen Feathers and check if the problem is fixed or not. Eighth solution: check your PS5 is not overheating and has enough storage space. Touch your PS5 and check if it is not overheating. If it is, then let it cool. Make sure your PS5 is placed with ample space around it. Also make sure the PS5 opening is clean and there is no dust buildup. Make sure that your PS5 has enough storage and do not use your PS5 for extended gaming sessions. Fix 9 is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then turn on enable HDCP instead and then check. 10th solution is to disable performance mode. Start PS5. Click the gear icon on the top right of your PS5 home side screen. Navigate to settings, save data and game/app settings. Scroll down to game presets, go to performance mode or resolution mode and select game default. 11th solution is to delete game data and cache. But here make sure to back up the save data to avoid unexpected game progress loss. So go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console, storage, delete. Select Wuchang Fallen Feathers, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then try again. 12th fix is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname in the DNS settings. Choose manual and enter the primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. For the proxy server, choose do not use. After this, launch the game and check if it fixes your problem or not. Last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Wuchang Fallen Feathers game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.